Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. Today I took a bad trade. I forced a trade and I'm ashamed of that. I'm literally ashamed of myself. So, but not completely because the trade was not taken on gambling. I took the trade on based on something. Of course, I'm going to break it down to you. So make sure you subscribe and like, and let's go straight into today's video. So I want to clear it up for you. Alright, so today's starting off the daily, I marked out um, those previous daily highs and those previous daily lows, and on the daily we are bearish, we are trading in a downtrend. So with that, I scaled down to the 4 hour time frame. We were having this big ass full fair value gap, 4 hour fair value gap, matched with this breaker block for yani 4 hour fair value gap with a 4 hour bearish breaker block. So with that, hold on. We are in the 4 hour. We are bearish also, and we have these draws on liquidity and this draw on liquidity and this Asian session lows and this previous daily lows as a draw on liquidity. So with that, we are bearish on the daily. We are bearish on the 4 hour. We have a 4 hour imbalance with we have a 4 hour imbalance matched with a 4 hour bearish order breaker block. So with that, I scaled down to the 1 hour time frame. I I drawed the Asian session highs. Those were the Asian session highs, and those were the Asian session lows. So with that, we had this 1 hour bearish fair value gap and this 1 hour bearish breaker block. So we are bearish on the daily, we are bearish on the 4 hour, we are bearish on the hourly. So with that, I hold on. Let me. So this was New York session. London session opens. Um, I went to the 15 minute. I scaled down to the 15 minute. We are still bearish in the 15 minute. We created an SMT divergence with the USD GPY. Also, the USD GPY was looking bearish to me because what the fuck is this? Hold on. Because we took out these Asian session highs and then we created an bearish SMT, so I thought on USD GPY, and with this 4 hour bearish fair value gap, I thought we are going to target these lows drawn liquidity and took out Asian session lows. So yeah, I got the idea of this trade. Also, this was the breaker from the 4 hour, and yeah, we did the market structure shift and the break of structure. We invalidated this bullish fair value gap. Um, we created a 15 minute fair value gap. We retraced into it, and then I scaled down to the 5 minute time frame. We did a break of structure. We were left on with a breaker block. We got that retracement, and then I hold on. Let me equilibrium. We retraced into equilibrium zone, and then once we made that break of structure on here, and we invalidate this bearish fair value gap, and we retraced into it, I entered immediately. For my first take profit, I don't know why did I could have been putting my take profit right here, but that would literally has given me a pretty shitty negative nigga risk to reward. So I just put it in the uh, the lowest point of the bearish of this bullish fair value gap, and that was 1-to-1 risk to reward. So with that, I put it in my second take profit, which was I was targeting these previous daily lows as a draw on liquidity, because I thought like we are still trading in a bearish order flow. We we disrespected bullish order flow, and then we are we are probably going to take out this previous daily lows and took out even more these drawn liquidity. So, but the only thing that I the only thing that I did wrong is I didn't wait for a sweep of liquidity. We didn't have any sweep of liquidity of this all this thing. We didn't have. I was aiming for price to do a hold on. Those were Asian session highs. I wanted the price to do like this and then break of structure and then continue down, but we never did that, and I forced a trade based on this price action. And I really talking with myself, I after analyzing the shit in my mind, I really I really said without a doubt in my mind we are going to get stopped out on this trade. Probably we're going to hit take profit one, but that never did happen. Ended up happen. But I de-risked on this trade. I de-risked more than I usually risk. Usually I risk 1% per trade, but this trade I reduced the contract size and the lot size, so I risked more than I used to be risking. So this is not a very bad trade, but something not to be proud of because of me forcing this trade. So we didn't have the liquidity sweep, but we had the 4 hour big ass fair value gap. So because liquidity sweeps and big big time frame high time frame fair value gaps are the same, but the liquidity sweep always has a stronger potential in in trading. So yeah, this was my trade recap for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and see you in the next video. Peace out.